Expression. Expression. Introduction of expressions. Like and unlike terms of an expression. Types of expressions. We have already come across simple algebraic expressions like x plus 3, y minus 5, 4x plus 5, 10y minus 5, and so on. When you study this chapter, you will come to know how algebraic expressions are formed, how they can be combined, how you can find their values, and how they can be used. We use term variable for alphabets and constant for numbers used in expression. We combine variables and constants to make algebraic expressions. This is an example of expression. This is called a term of expression. And these are called factors of that term. The numerical factor is said to be the numerical coefficient or simply the coefficient of the term. Like and unlike terms. 2xy and 5xy are two terms. These are like terms because the variable part of both is same. When terms have the same algebraic factors, that is, variable part of terms, they are like terms. When terms have different algebraic factors, they are unlike terms. Monomial, binomial, trinomial. An expression with only one term is called a monomial. For example, 7xy minus 5m, 3z square, 4, etc. An expression which contains two unlike terms is called a binomial. For example, x plus y, m minus 5, mn plus 4m, a square minus b square, p plus 2q, x square minus 1 are binomials. An expression which contains three terms is called a trinomial. For example, the expressions x plus y plus 7, ab plus a plus b, 4p plus 6k plus 7, r square plus t plus 4x. An expression with one or more terms is called a polynomial. Thus, a monomial, a binomial, and a trinomial are all polynomials. So that is all in this topic. We will learn operations on algebraic expressions in our next topic. Till then, keep learning.